You can no, sign up. Yes, sign up. Then it then yes. Then click your business type. Yes, if it's partnership, select partnership. Okay, then shop name. Product and service. What kind of product you provide, or what kind of service in your shop you provide? What kind of service you provide? Dropship. Okay, then find e-commerce. E-commerce. Yes. Okay, e-commerce is not available. Remove it. Type drop shipping. Remove it. Remove e-commerce. Yes, drop shipping. Right. Yes. You can select only business service. You can select business service only. Business service. Yes. Yes. Uh, then is your phone number. Okay. Then your business address. Okay. Then fill up this. Okay. Fill up this. Check this box and legal name fill up. Yes.
ভাই খাওয়া খেয়ে নিতাম
আচ্ছা ভাই একটু পরে যাচ্ছি must follow your NID card or driving license. Do you have an PARNT? No. Third parties? No. All no. And check mark this box and submit it. Okay, then submit it. Yeah. Okay, then submit it. Your documents are under review. We will. I cannot read. Hard the right. Okay. Check your email. Yes. Yes, it's optional. You don't need it. Okay. Then scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, then submit it. Then signature, your name. Yes. Just follow your national identity or passport, okay? Or driving license. Oh, why don't you select the date? You are take. There is an option of date. Shipping information. Company director, secretary. Click this box. Okay, no problem.